everybody, welcome to my blue and white kitchen. I just had my kitchen remodeled a couple of months ago, and finally I got new tile, new cooktop, new oven, so I'm all excited to start doing some new videos. So anyway, today I'm going to make cherry tomato salsa, and how I came up with this recipe is I was doing an internship at a big company, and every afternoon you could go and look and see what they had left over, and one day they had a huge bag of grape cherry tomatoes left over. So I took the bag and I brought it home, and I'm like, what am I going to do with these? And my husband loves salsa, so I decided to make salsa with them. So this is the easiest recipe. So I'm going to take a big sweet onion and I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm just going to peel it and chop it into a couple pieces and put it in my food processor. Fighting with the food processor again. Better than fighting with my husband. But anyway, so I'm going to stick that in there and make sure I got up. I left a little end on it. Okay. All right, stick that in there, and I'm just going to pulse it really quick. There you go. I don't want to do it too fine because I don't want it to be like mush. I want it to have nice big chunks. And then after that, I'm going to add my rinsed off cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to pulse them. Look at that. And then I'm going to add a bunch of fresh cilantro. So I rinsed it and shaked it off, and I'm just going to add a bunch of that. And then I'm also going to add some jalapeno peppers. You can use fresh jalapeno peppers, or you can use the jarred. My problem with the fresh ones, if I don't have a glove on, sometimes you touch your face and you get the seeds and it's really hot. And so after a couple disasters, I switched to just buying the jarred. And you can get the jarred in all different, you can get it mild, you can get it medium, you can get it hot. So once that's in, I'm just going to pulse it again. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper, some salt, nice flaky sea salt, and then I'm going to add some lime. So I'm just going to squeeze the lime. And you can add chipotle peppers, you can add some cumin, you can add all different things. But right now I'm just going to do the basic one. And there you go. What did that take, like a minute and a half? Look how great that looks. So then, and the reason why also I like using cherry tomatoes is because you don't have to skin them. Sometimes if you use the bigger tomatoes, you need to skin them and take the peel off. But with the cherry tomatoes, you don't have to. So then I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to put a little bit more lime juice on the top. And then I have different colored chips. I like to do the different colored ones. So I am going to get it open. My luck, it'll go all over. Oh, sorry about that. All right. So then I'm going to add some nice chips with that. And you can also, if you want to be healthy, slice up some cucumbers, you can slice up carrots, you can slice up all different types of vegetables and serve it with it. But I'm going to a pool party in a little bit, so I'm going to take this and it'll be a great hit with everybody. Oops. So anyway, so there you go. My chips and salsa. Cherry tomato salsa with the chips, with fresh lime juice, cilantro. Enjoy, everybody.